best start believing in ghost stories, Mr. Turner. You're in one!
Sapling everyone. Today's video is very different to the content I usually upload. This is the first video I've ever put up of lifestyle content. I've actually been sat on this footage since the summer of 2019, long before lockdowns, before I ever started streaming or uploading videos. So you'll notice that my camera presence and everything isn't what it is now. I didn't have the confidence until now to actually share this with you all. This video is going to be part of a series following a week-long surf trip. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please help me out and subscribe to the channel. A nice one for watching. So we're about to get the car packed and set off down to Cornwall. We're on our way down to Colliford Lake to stay for the first night. Drive down to there, spend the night there in the hotel, and then next morning down to Gwithian, set up the tent, and we'll be surfing and going on some adventures. You excited, Kate?
Very much so.
Very much so. You stoked?
Yeah, read my face, look how excited for all.
Yeah. What are your stoke levels like?
Very high.
Very high.
Don't use this footage, this is shit. Before my back was sticking to the chair, I feel like I'm Malcolm in the middle.
Yeah, that's what mine's like now.
You down, you see the skin feel that.
Upon reaching our destination, there was a grim realisation. So we just got to our destination, took about 5 hours in total, and then find out I've left my wetsuit back at home.
I feel overdressed.
Overdressed? What are you on about?
Bag lady.
Just push it, Kate. Let's have a look at the views like.
Oh. Oh. I don't get. They say no smoking. But why is that there then?
It's not for smoking. So we've just spent the night at the Colliford Lake Tavern. We're on our way now, on our way down to Gwithian. Set up the campsite and then thinking to St Ives for the day because she's got she's been paid today, so we're going to go do a bit of shopping, stuff like that. Bit of a rainy day as well, so not really the day for activities.
You'll see a video later, we're like, we're not going shopping. We're going skinned.
But yeah, so I just about to set up in the car now. It's an hour drive to where we're going, see what we do with the rest of the day.
In a bit.
So we made it to St Ives and we decided to come straight into the campsite because it's absolutely pissing down. The rain's meant to stop around 4, so...
Going to find a cafe in this lovely sunny day in St Ives.
It still looks beautiful, I feel like, but yeah, so we're just going to get something to eat and then hopefully the rain dies off and we can get the tent set up.
Going home, the silver rain begins to soak me, evokes me to check my phone and see the absence of a call. I guess I've learned nothing at all. When I'm with you, I just keep on getting higher, higher with you. I put my face down to the coldest of the floors, but I feel like I'm 6 foot tall.
After we'd finished our shopping spree, the weather changed drastically. We now had a beautiful day on our hands, so we decided to go and seek out some adventure in the St. Ives Bay.
You best start believing in ghost stories, Miss Turner. You're in one!
You can see that lighthouse out in the distance. That's Gwithian Beach. That's where we're going to be surfing the next couple of days.
What's it like driving?
Sick, do you want to have a go?
No. I'd like to, but I trust yourself.
So we've just got to a Gwithian farm campsite. It's where we stayed last time we came down these ways. Yeah, we're just going to go get all signed in, find out where our sort of spot is, and then get the tent set up.
'Cause there's things I don't want you to see. 'Cause I don't know why people say I'm simple. I'm not simple at all. And I don't tell you everything about me. 'Cause there's things I don't want you to see. Yeah, there's things I don't want you to see.
It's the end of episode 1. Got down to Cornwall, spent the night at the Colliford Lake tavern. Bit of a day out in St. Ives. Didn't really get to do much, anything like action sports, you know, no surfing or anything like that, but had a little whip around on the boat in the harbour, so all in all, you know, it wasn't a bad first day. But yeah, now we're just at the campsite, set up the tent. Just gonna chill out for a bit, aren't we?
Yeah, you got the frisbee?
No, oh, shit, I forgot the frisbee. It's not as bad as the wetsuit.
That's...
Yeah, forgot the frisbee, forgot the wetsuit, but you can get both of them down here, so it's no hassle. So just gonna chill out at the campsite for the rest of the night. That's about it really. So this is the end of episode 1. Make sure to like and subscribe down below. And yeah, we'll see you for the next episode.